Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to record your Android mobile screen using scrcpy and how to adjust the resolution, quality, and other useful features. If you don't know how to connect your mobile phone with scrcpy or how to run the commands, make sure to watch the playlist on this channel. The link to the playlist is given on the end screen. Now, let's get started. The basic command is simple. To record your mobile screen while it is visible on your computer screen, type this command. It will record the screen and save it as file.mp4. After entering the command, the phone screen will open on your PC. Let me open the Canva app. Press Ctrl+C to stop recording. Open the scrcpy folder and play the recorded file. You can see the recording is done. If you don't want the mobile display to be visible on your PC screen while it is still recording mobile activity, then you can use this command. This is very useful if you just want to capture the screen without watching it live. Open the folder again and play the file called file.noscreen.mp4. As you can see, the recording has been done without showing the mobile screen on the PC. By default, scrcpy records in your phone's native resolution. Let's record the screen in 720 resolution. After the recording is done, right-click the video and go to the properties. Here you can notice that the video is recorded in 720 resolution. scrcpy also lets you choose the format. Instead of MP4, you can save in MKV, which is safer for long recordings. With these commands, you can record your Android screen with the exact resolution, quality, and format you want. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.